Okay, what are we doing tonight, Josh?
So we got a network here that we got to set up some access lists for, and we got 2 objectives to get at.
All right, standard ACLs. A standard ACL is a list of instructions that really do absolutely nothing until you apply them to an interface. For instance, on G00, you apply this ACL in the inbound direction or the outbound direction. And then one more thing, a standard ACL only interrogates the source IP address of a packet. In a packet header, you have a lot of fields. The source IP address is the one that's getting interrogated by this ACL in the inbound direction or the outbound direction.
First objective is to disallow the 192.168.11.0 network to communicate to the web server.
One other thing is allow other access to the rest of the network. So the standard ACL only allows you to specify one thing, that's the source IP. We need to put that ACL as close to the destination as possible that we want to deny. Otherwise, we're going to deny access to everything else in the network. For instance, if we put the ACL right here. We're at 0% completion and PC2 can ping the web server. On router 2, we're configuring the ACL. You have to put a permit any at the end because there's an invisible implicit deny that will drop all other packets. 25%. It's good to look at the access list before you apply it to make sure you understand what it's going to do. The actual command to apply an access list is access group. It's applied. We are now dropping traffic and we are at 50% completion. Next task, same concept, different subnet. 192.168.10, disallow it from being able to communicate 192.168.30. We see that PC1 is able to ping PC3. We're creating the access list. I'll mention that an access list is a poor man's firewall. It's a stateless firewall where it just interrogates packet headers and provides some security. Access list is configured, 75%. Verify what it looks like. Make sure you know what interface it is, G00. Apply it in the outbound direction. We're dropping traffic, 100%. Good job.